Hey there, it's Amelia, and in this video, I'm going to review what's new in Canva in 2022. Make sure you stay to the end to find out about all the new features in the latest version of Canva. First, let's review an editing update. Canva now supports Apple Keynote, Numbers, and Pages. You can drag and drop your files into the Canva homepage, or you can click Create a Design and then select Import File to get started. Next, there's been a pretty major change with content management. On the left frame, there used to be two options called All Your Designs and All Your Folders. This has been combined into a new feature called Your Projects. Canva has added this feature to allow you to organize your designs better and find your designs faster. Next, let's take a look at some cool updates for presentations. For any presentations that you create, you can now hide slides, which is similar to the option like in PowerPoint. Just right-click and select Hide Page to hide that slide when you're in presentation mode. Next is a really cool curtain call magic shortcut, and you can see a preview here. Now, as I'm recording this video, I'm actually in presentation mode in Canva, and to activate this curtain call magic shortcut while you're presenting, just press U on your keyboard and tap U again to open up the curtain. Next, there is a new mic drop magic shortcut. And while you're presenting, just press the letter M on your keyboard to activate the mic drop shortcut. Next is a new feature in Content Planner. You could now filter for localized holidays and events based on different locations. The following locations have been added: Canada, Australia, Brazil, France, Russia, Indonesia, and Mexico. Here you can see a preview so you can filter the holidays based on a country or other location. Next is an update for Canva for Enterprise. Template activity has now been added to team reports for enterprise admins and owners. They could now view template activity within their organization, see top templates applied, published, and shared, and so forth. That allows them to better understand which templates are creating the most productivity and identify opportunities for greater template adoption across an enterprise team. Next, let's look at an update for Teams and Collab. When collaborating with others, you could now add emojis when you react to a collaborator's comments. Next, there's been an update for creators. If you are a creator, you could network with Canva and become a contributor, and this new feature allows Canva contributors to upload a collection of up to 100 photos or graphics together as a collection. Next is a new auto onboarding for Canva creators. Auto onboarding replaced the manual creator onboarding experience with an easier onboarding process. Well, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Also, if you'd like to learn more about Canva, I have a brand new course on my course platform, ameliagriggs.podia.com. To learn more about Canva, I've created a course called Canva Made Simple. It has the latest and greatest features in the course. So it's a brand new course updated for Canva 2022. And if you'd like to sign up and try Canva for free, visit this URL and get started with Canva today. Bye now.